Hi, to unpair your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active from Android phone. As a first step, open this Mi Fitness app and make sure that the watch is connected to the app for now. So to unpair it, we have several ways. We can either in this device tab simply tap on our watch on this arrow and here press and hold this section, so we would see this option to unpair, or we can go in the more section and down the bottom of the display check the unpair option. Now let's select it, and now we need to confirm that we are unpairing this watch from the phone, so let's tap the continue button. And now as you can see, to use this app we would need to add device, and let's check the watch. The watch is just restarted, so now we need to select a language so the watch just get back to its factory default settings. And you would need to just set it up with the new device once more. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.